Hi, I'm Scott from Osprey Packs, and today we're talking about the Aether and Ariel AG series. These are incredibly capable packs that are perfect for everything from backpacking to through hiking and even mountaineering expeditions, any activity where you need to carry heavier loads. They feature incredibly customizable fit with an interchangeable harness and hip belt that's custom moldable. They also feature anti-gravity technology which hugs your body and makes it feel like you're carrying less weight than you actually are. And the top lid converts to a day pack you'll actually want to use for short day hikes or even a summit bid from base camp. The Aether AG comes in an 85, 70, and 60 liter version, and the Ariel AG comes in a 75, 65, and 55 liter version. These packs also share the following features: a removable top lid that converts to the day lid day pack, dual upper side compression straps, dual access side stretch mesh pockets, lower inside-out compression straps, zippered hip belt pockets, stow-on-the-go trekking pole attachment, additional main compartment access, a large stretch mesh front panel pocket, dual front compression straps with straitjacket compression, dual ice tool loops with bungee tie-offs, a zippered sleeping bag compartment with removable divider, removable sleeping pad straps, an integrated flap jacket cover for lidless use, and an external hydration reservoir sleeve. Converting the top lid to a day pack is really easy. Just unzip the main compartment, pull out the harness straps, connect them to the base of the pack, fill it with whatever you need, zip it up, and you're ready to go. On the day lid, you'll also find dual zippered access to the main compartment, a hydration sleeve, a small zippered front panel slash pocket, a tuck-away ice tool loop with bungee handle wrap, and an air mesh harness with edgeless wrap over the shoulders for comfort and ventilation. When you need to carry heavier loads, whether for a weekend of backpacking or a full-blown expedition, the Aether and Ariel AG series and day lid day pack will take you where you want to go.
Hike in late, set up quickly, and sleep in comfortably with the Night Owl tent by Kelty. Available in 2, 3, and 4-person models, the Night Owl is designed for an easy setup. In fact, it's so easy you can do it blindfolded. Well, almost that easy. After staking out the tent body, the Kelty quick corners help hold the high-quality aluminum poles up, making it a breeze to clip the tent body into place. Then you'll want to add the ridge pole, which adds a bunch of interior headroom. Now, drape the rainfly over the shelter following the color-coded webbing in tent corners. Secure the hook and loop on the underside. Attach the buckles at each corner and stake out the vestibule. Lastly, guy out the fly, and that's it, you're good to go. If you plan to do some stargazing from your sleeping bag, you can roll up and secure this portion of the fly. And if it starts to cloud over later, no worries. You can easily close up the tent from inside. The spacious, extended length floor plan gives you plenty of room to spread out. Slide your headlamp into one of the nightlight pockets to diffuse your light softly throughout the tent for late night reading or activities. When you wake up rested and ready to go, use the handy guy line pockets to keep your lines organized. Then store the tent compactly in the shark mouth carry bag, conveniently shaped for quick packing. If you're not afraid of a late night adventure, or you just appreciate an easy setup, pick up the Night Owl from Kelty.
At Camelback, we are customer driven. So when you tell us what you need, we work to engineer and build it. It's that simple. Camelback athletes and customers told us they wanted a reservoir that delivered more water per sip, with a foolproof design that made it easy to fill up and hit the trail quickly. We were more than up for the challenge. Our brand new Crux delivers a thirst-quenching 20% more water per sip, with our classic Big Bite valve for easy drinking. It features an on-off valve that's simple to operate with one hand, and an ergonomic handle for easy refilling. And of course, the reservoirs still include the features that you told us you loved, like our patented Big Bite valve and the proprietary antimicrobial technology embedded in both our reservoir film and drinking tubes. Every model in our standard series incorporates Quick Link technology, which lets you disconnect your drinking tube with the click of a button. That way, you can refill quickly without stopping to reroute your drinking tube. The Crux reservoir comes in 3-liter, 2-liter, and 1.5-liter options. If you're looking for better balance on the trail, we've also designed a 3-liter lumbar reservoir that keeps your water weight positioned low on your back for more stability. The larger 2 and 3-liter Crux reservoirs also feature baffles that help them keep their shape and make them easier to load into your pack. The new reservoirs come standard in our cycling, hiking, and running lines, and are also available as a standalone accessory. We designed Crux to help you push harder, climb higher, and go further without worrying about your gear. Like all our products, it's backed by the Got Your Back lifetime guarantee. So go on, we've got your back.
For stellar sleep when you're out on the trail, you can trust these tried and true Kelty classics, the restyled and updated Cosmic Dry Down sleeping bags. With 3 choices rated to 0, 20, and 40 degrees and a variety of lengths, choose the one that will keep you coziest for your nights in the backcountry. Our Cosmic line features 600 fill hydrophobic dry down insulation which repels moisture, dries fast if wet, and retains loft, keeping you warmer longer. This masterfully crafted Dreammaker features a 50 denier downproof ripstop shell and a 50 denier taffeta liner that are stitched together with a quilt-through construction to eliminate cold spots. Shimmy into this warm cocoon by sliding your feet into the natural fit footbox and tucking your head into the thermal comfort hood. The draft tube has a wide anti-snag backer which keeps the 60-inch dual slider zipper from getting stuck. The draft collar seals out the cold and keeps in the heat. Choose the 0, 20, or 40 degree Cosmic sleeping bag from Kelty, built for out-of-this-world warmth when the mercury starts to drop.